Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my LoveGoodly box. I think this is the April-May one. This bi-monthly thing screws up my head. But before we get started, I do have the window open. It is a gorgeous day. I'm not closing it because if I closed it, it would get hot in here, but I don't want to turn on the air conditioning. So we will be dealing with perhaps a handful of cityscape sounds. Right now it's just birds, but I'm sure there will be cars going up and down the streets and people honking and all kinds of stuff, so we'll just deal with that as it comes. Second thing, I know I owe you guys that Medusa's makeup eyeshadow on my eyes, but it's just so nice and light and airy today. I wanted to go nice and light and airy. Plus I've got like a little lip pimple I'm trying to cover up, and my cat got me, so I did not want to go full on out with makeup the way that eyeshadow probably deserves today. So that's that. One other thing, we're on vacation next week, so there probably won't be any uploads. Even if I do get a box, it's just gonna be brought in the house by my mom, so I'll miss you guys, but I'll see you after that. I'm on the fence about if I'm gonna vlog on vacation, because I take like a few clips when I first start and I'm gung-ho about it, and then I completely forget from there. I just forget to keep filming, so we'll see how that goes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this LoveGoodly box. Here are our cards. I do get the extra buy up for the VIP, so we'll take a look at that when we get to it. Alright, the first item on top here is a necklace, and this is from God Jewelry Designs, which I believe they've sent us a necklace from before. I think it's the same brand, and well, I sent it to the Goodwill, or wherever we dropped off clothes for donation. I had it listed on Poshmark. It didn't get any traction at all. No one wanted that thing, and I just wanted it out of my house, and I didn't know anyone who would like it, so I just got rid of it. I don't like when they send jewelry in these kind of boxes, since everyone's taste is so different, but that's just my opinion. Here is the necklace. This is less ugly than the first one for sure, with the little arrow design. I don't love that the arrow is kind of an aged gold on a silver chain. I don't like mixed metals in one piece. I don't mind mixing metals while I'm wearing them, but I don't like it in one piece personally. That's my personal thing. There's a coupon code. You can use code ARROW if you do happen to like this print. I'm not saying it's not for everyone. I'm just saying I don't like it. I'm probably not going to keep this either. I'll attempt to list this on Poshmark as well, and we'll see how that goes. But this is a $29 value, so they say. There's also another coupon code, LoveGoodly20, for 20% off of a $45 order or more. So a 1-inch brass arrow pendant with an approximately 18-inch silver EP necklace chain. The arrow represents moving forward and ultimately achieving your goals. When you pull the bow back, represents a struggle in life. The arrow gets released and propels forward, symbolizing seeking better things in life. Vegan, woman-owned, made in the USA, sustainable, eco-friendly, and gives back. Yeah, this is not my jam. I just don't like when they do this, personally. I don't love it. So I'm just gonna put this back in the bag, and at some point when I'm feeling motivated, that'll probably go on my Poshmark to see if anyone who would like wearing it would like to purchase it. So meh, I don't like when they send jewelry. Next we have from Osea, the Essential Corrective Complex to correct and clarify. So here's what that looks like in the box. Go ahead and take it out the box. Osea always has this really nice glass packaging. Their packaging is nice. Not so great for creams because it's hard to get the stuff out of the bottom. I imagine for this type of oily liquid, it'd be fine. I'm assuming this is a roller ball. Yeah, it's a roller ball. Let's read about this a little bit. It's a $32 value, which is not surprising. All of their stuff is crazy expensive and overpriced, but I suspect it has something to do with the nice frosted glass. Formulated with a blend of tea tree, white thyme, and juniper. Okay, so I'm not going to be using this. To assist in reducing blemish-causing oils and impurities. Keep your skin looking clear and healthy with this calming oil all over your face or just where you need it. Packaged inside a recyclable no-mess rollerball applicator for easy application. While it's great for those with oily and blemish-prone skin, this oil can also be used by all skin types to promote beautiful skin and assist with reducing redness and inflamed skin. Pro tip from Osea: you can apply to ingrown hairs or irritated skin after shaving. Now, that last little tip is interesting. I don't know that I'm going to hold on to this for that purpose because I'm never going to remember. I pay no mind to ingrown hairs and stuff. I don't get any of that stuff and get irritated by it enough to have a product specifically for it. But I'm probably just going to give this away. But let me look at the ingredients. Yeah, I'm not going to use this. I think I'll go ahead and, since this is such a nice high price product, I'll put this in the giveaway box, which I'm suspecting will probably be happening sometime this summer just by how the box is filling up. But yeah, the next product is Balade en Provence Extra Kind Shave Bar with coconut oil. So that's kind of cool. I have been using a conditioner bar for your hair on my legs to shave just because it's just so fussy to use this conditioner that I was like, how can I use this in another way? But this should be interesting. I can't wait to give it a try and see how it works out. So this organic vegan shave bar is an $8.95 value, which is a decent price point. Enriched with coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and shea butter to moisturize and protect your skin while you shave. This extra smooth, zero waste shaving bar is certified organic, vegan, and has a delicate scent of orange blossom. I don't know why I could not say the word delicate. My voice just shifted. It feels weird now. A natural and ecological alternative to your usual shaving foam or gel. To use, wet the bar and rub it all over the area to be shaved. Use your razor as usual and rinse thoroughly. It's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, zero waste, organic, natural, sustainable, plastic-free, eco-friendly, recyclable, compostable, handmade, and made in France. So that is a lot of nice little attributes this product has. I personally don't buy shaving cream. I'll just use whatever I have in some other capacity to shave my legs, but this is nice. I can't wait to try it out. The next item is from Vadam Superfoods. It's a cleanse, active turmeric with probiotics and ginger. Superfood Elixir. It's an herbal supplement. There are 10 sachets in here, so it's like a tea, it seems like. So this is a $14.99 value. Cleanse and heal your body with this Superfood Elixir and rich in active probiotics that safeguard your stomach health. Ingredients include turmeric, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps improve digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. Mint, rich in nutrients like vitamin A, iron, magnesium, and folate. Fennel regulates blood pressure. And black pepper detoxifies the body and rich in vitamin B. We love adding this elixir to our plant-based milk for a quick and easy hot iced latte. Vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, organic, non-GMO, keto-friendly, gluten-free, gives back, sustainably sourced, and made in India. And you can use the coupon code LGVH30 for 30% off your first order at badamteas.com. Do I think it's a miracle product? No. Does it sound like something I would enjoy? Actually, yes, I do like turmeric and ginger together quite a bit. This kind of sounds like it would be nice to have when you're hungover, to be perfectly honest, with that combination of ingredients. But this is definitely something I think I will enjoy using, whether just in water or added in milk as a latte. So I think this is just going to depend on your personal taste buds, whether you like this or not, but I think I'll like it. So that's exciting. So if we're just looking at the initial box, these 4 products, which it says are an $84 plus value, there's only 2 of these I'm really jazzed about, the shave bar and the tea, and those are the 2 cheapest products, which is kind of annoying the two expensive products, which are this cheesy necklace and the I need to stop insulting the necklace. There's nothing cheesy about this necklace. It's just not my personal taste. Gross. The necklace, which I don't personally like and wish they would never send jewelry, and the Osea oil, blemish oil thing, which has ingredients in it that I just don't like putting on my face. So that's kind of a disappointment. Right now we're sitting definitely at like a C. Not loving this. Now, moving on to the bonus VIP product. We have it right here. This is the Becoherent. I don't know how to say that word, but that's the brand. Now, this is a solid shampoo and conditioner bar. Always excited about a shampoo bar. I'm still on the fence about conditioner bars, whether I like them or not. So we'll see if this one changes my mind. So this is a $27 value. And let's see, it's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, women-owned, eco-friendly, plastic-free, sustainable, biodegradable, compostable, palm oil-free, gluten-free, ethically sourced, and zero waste. So the solid shampoo bar, which is the $12.99 value, offers a gentle cleansing that does not strip the hair or scalp of its protective oils, suitable for multiple hair types, including those with sensitive skin. This bar cleanses, heals, and respects the scalp while regaining its balance, avoiding irritation, itching, and dandruff. Formulated with cocoa and kapuzu butters, eucalyptus and thyme to strengthen and nourish the hair, as well as chamomile, turmeric, and rosemary to soothe and restore for healthy scalp, and has mild lemongrass aroma. That was worded weird, sorry. To use, moisten your hair and shampoo bar. Next, rub it from your scalp to your ends of your hair in a linear motion. Massage in, adding more water if necessary until a sufficient amount of lather forms. Lastly, rinse and repeat if desired. Okay, that was a mouthful. Now, the solid conditioner bar, which is a $14.99 value, is super hydrating and has a great detangling power. Now, I'm going to hold it to that because my hair tangles something nasty. I'm very excited to see how that works. So, made with a nourishing blend of cocoa, kapuzu, and mango butters, cacao oil, and a mild orange aroma. It can also be used as a shaving bar. So that's funny that we just got a shaving bar and I mentioned I was using a conditioner bar as a shaving bar. It's all very cyclical today. Or a moisturizer. To use, rinse the shampoo and glide the pre-moistened conditioner from the middle of your hair to the ends. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse with plenty of water. Before opening, store both bars in a cool place without any exposure to sunlight. After using your bars, you use a soap dish that allows water to drain completely and keep near a place in your bath or shower where the water will not fall directly on them while not in use. A lot of information there. I feel like I've been reading for 10 years. Let's open it up. So here's like a little printed out paper. Use Conscious, but with a K. KONSCIOUS 20 for 20% off your next purchase. This feels like it was printed on someone's home printer. This is not luxury feeling, I guess, or not even luxury. It doesn't feel professional. This feels really unprofessional. But go ahead and look at these bars, like that they're individually packaged. They're not running into each other in here. This is the shampoo bar. It's a decent sized shampoo bar. This is pretty large. Yeah, I'm excited to use that. That's like a bright color. Very interesting. So that's pretty cool. Definitely excited to get to use these things. I am definitely not folding that paper back up right. Let's look at the conditioner bar. The paper packaging is quite nice. I think everything but this little printout is really nice quality. And here's the conditioning bar. It looks conditioning. It definitely looks more nourishing than a shampoo bar, just from the shine on it. So that is actually pretty interesting. I wasn't sure how excited I would be for these products, but now that I've seen them, read a little bit about them, I'm pretty excited about them. So if we add this in, I think maybe we're at a C+, B-. Overall, I'm not really in love with this product, with the product assortment, because the highest value products are products I don't want. But it's not the worst box in the world. There are things here I will use, and I'm actually very excited about this shave bar. So I guess it is what it is. I don't know if I love the LoveGoodly box this month. I don't know if I've been loving the past couple months. I can't remember what happened the last time. Maybe it was great. I'll have to go back and look at my own videos. I can't remember what I get. Oh gosh, that's not great. And I can't remember. But I don't know. I'm on the fence about keeping this one too. This one is pretty expensive, and what we get, especially if they're gonna keep sending freaking jewelry, I don't know if I want to keep doing that. So we'll see. I know I didn't formally announce it in the video, but I did put in a comment that once my 6-month subscription of the Vegan Cuts one runs out, the beauty box, I'm gonna just get rid of that beauty box, at least for the time being, because it hasn't been impressing me. I'm contemplating whether or not I get rid of this one too, because it's not that exciting to me recently. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!